How to put the SD card to your DJI Osmo Nano. So this is very simple. Grab your vision dock. Vision dock is the part with screen. So rotate it and here should be this lid and you can actually open it like this. And here is the charging port and SD card port. So if you have your SD card, put it here. Here is also the arrow how you should put it in. Just do it. I don't have the SD card here. If you want to double check it, if the SD card is readable in your DJI Osmo Nano, just turn it on and swipe down from the top of the screen and open settings. And here we want to scroll down and find something about storage. Here is the storage, click it, and here is the Osmo Nano itself, and here is your SD card. So the storage of the SD card gonna be visible here. Also, you can transfer your files from Nano to your SD card here in the section storage. Here you can see this option, export to SD card. It took a few minutes if you want to do that, because every time you are recording, it puts the storage into your Nano. So you have to put it to your SD card manually here, export to SD card. So it's simply as that. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.